Hey, morning everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome to my weekly roundup. Now, what I wanted to really do this week is make sure I get on your LinkedIn feed as much as possible. So I decided to record my sort of weekly roundup post as well as publish it as well. Now, some of you may have seen on LinkedIn and through my website over the last couple of months, I've been working with a promising new startup, and I'm providing CTO level technology and data leadership for a really diverse and really cool team. Now, ultimately, this startup's a technology company, and I've been helping shape what their overall solution is going to look like, and it's been lots of fun. They've got involved in things like the startup hub, so they've got a whole bunch of free Azure credits from Microsoft. That's got them going. Their product is heavily baked in the data and analytics space, and they've got a data platform that's going to combine PostgreSQL, Microsoft Fabric, and a little bit of Azure OpenAI services as well. Now, it's really early days, right? And that's all I can really say for now. But it's a really exciting time for the team, and it's been great watching their idea take shape over the last month or so. From a sort of consulting perspective, I've been over the last few weeks, I've been assisting with a client with Power BI, focusing particularly on their Fabric capacity, and we're working through different optimizations to try and streamline their data models and ultimately get the best performance from their environment and the most bang for their buck. From training in May, it's been quite quiet on the training front here at GRE Towers as we've gone into the spring months of May. The Postgres DBA course I've been working on is finished and it's almost ready for prime time. The Microsoft Fabric courses, the DP 600 and the DP 700, I had a couple of those lined up in spring, but those courses are still on hold as I'm waiting for lab providers to make the classes available again. They're currently not available. So the DP 600, the DP 700 courses I had planned, they're kind of on hold for the time being. I do have an AI fundamentals, an AI 900 course that's both for technical and non-technical audiences that I'm going to run towards the end of the month. There's a QR code just there. Right, if you're interested in going on, that's going to be the 30th of May. And I do have some other courses that I'll talk about in a few weeks' time that are running in June that you might be interested in. That's through a third party, but I can sort you out if you want to come on some of those. But more of those to follow. If you are interested in the AI 900 course, simply send me a DM, connect with me on LinkedIn, or connect through the website, and we can get you booked in. You can book through the website. Nobody ever does. They always want to talk to me first, and that's absolutely fine. From a volunteering and events perspective, I was selected at the start of the year to speak at SQL Saturday New York, which is running this weekend. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to travel. I had something come up here at home. But I've been watching everyone's updates on LinkedIn with a serious case of FOMO and a little bit of envy as well. Not all's lost. Right? I've been volunteering with the PASS Community Summit, and I'm leading the selection committee for the PASS on Tour New York event, which is running in August, and I'm hopeful I'll get to attend the New York version of that in person to see the fruits of our team's efforts when it comes to putting the session together or putting the schedule together. It's been really good and really exciting. It's not finished yet, but we're still working on that, and no doubt there'll be more to follow. On the Fantasy Premier League front, I had to take a few gambles last weekend. Unfortunately, I decided to risk picking a sort of obscure captain. I went for Cunha in the hope of a goal glut against Man City. No such luck, though. It kind of came away with a blank. And with 3 game weeks left, my poor performance last weekend because of my poor choice of captain has pretty much left me out of the top 4 race. So it looks very unlikely anyway, unless I can pull off something astonishing in the last 3 game weeks. But I'm still hoping for a solid top 10 finish. So fingers crossed on that. This week, we've had a couple of guests on the Putting the Human in Technology podcast. We've had a bit of we had a kind of a month off from that through April. But this week I've been joined by Dr. David Garley of the Sleep Clinic, talking about the crucial role sleep can play in performance. And we look at some of the data and some of the tech involved that can help monitor that and how it can actually affect tech people as well. And we also had Ian Rogers, who's the IT manager for Cunha, Europe and Africa. And he came on and explained how Cunha delivers its valuable educational services and the role that tech plays in that. If you haven't seen those, check them out. I'll be posting snippets across the next week. Do check them out if you want to. But that's it from GRE Towers for now. If you need any help with your data platform, or you want to drive more value from your analytics, or you want to train your staff to empower your team to get the most from it, then please do get in touch. But aside from that, have a wonderful weekend.